Hello, curious minds. What if a moon refused to spin the way moons usually do, but tumbled through space like a coin tossed in slow motion? Meet Hyperion, Saturn's sponge-like oddball. Back in 1848, a group of astronomers pointed their telescopes toward Saturn and spotted something strange. An irregular, lumpy moon unlike the others they knew. They had discovered Hyperion. This small moon doesn't have a single diameter, but its dimensions along its three axes are approximately 410 x 260 x 220 kilometers or 255 x 163 x 137 miles. It's tiny compared to Saturn's giant neighbor Titan, yet it orbits in the same neighborhood, pulled and tugged by Saturn's immense gravity. Hyperion is so light with such low density that if you had a cosmic bathtub big enough, it would actually float in water. Already, this little moon was unlike anything else we'd seen. Take a close look at Hyperion, and it doesn't resemble a smooth, round moon at all. Instead, it looks more like a giant potato, or maybe even a sponge. Its surface is riddled with deep craters that overlap and carve out jagged edges. What's even stranger is that many of these craters appear sharp and deep, almost like someone punched holes straight through the moon. Inside them, a mysterious, dark, reddish material has gathered, giving Hyperion its eerie, sponge-like look. Scientists think its strange shape comes from its incredibly low density. Hyperion is porous, almost like a pile of loosely packed ice and rock. That's why impacts don't flatten out over time but instead leave these bizarre, spongy scars across its surface. Most of the big moons in our solar system spin in a steady rhythm, always keeping the same face toward their planet, just like our moon with Earth. But Hyperion doesn't play by those rules. Instead, it tumbles chaotically through space. Its rotation is so unpredictable that no two orbits look the same. Imagine flipping a coin into the air and instead of spinning neatly, it wobbles, twists, and refuses to settle. That's Hyperion. This chaotic motion happens because Saturn's immense gravity and the nearby giant moon Titan constantly tug at it, throwing its spin off balance. If you stood on Hyperion, you'd never see the same sky twice. Every sunrise, every star field, every shadow on Saturn would look different. Forever. Even with all we've learned, Hyperion remains a puzzle. One mystery is the dark material that collects inside its craters. Where does it come from, and why does it stick there? Some scientists think it might be debris from other moons, while others suggest it's ancient material left over from the early days of the solar system. And then there's its porous, sponge-like interior. Hyperion's density is so low, it seems more like a frozen rubble pile than a solid world. Could it be a leftover fragment from a larger body that shattered long ago? Whatever the answer, Hyperion offers a rare glimpse into the chaotic, violent processes that shaped our solar system, and reminds us how much there still is to discover. Hyperion may not be Saturn's biggest moon, but it's certainly one of the strangest, like a cosmic sponge tumbling through the void. But here's the question. If you could visit Hyperion, would you rather explore its strange craters, or just sit back and watch its chaotic skies spin? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to keep exploring with us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.